I want to review this rice cooker. This can cook up to 12 cups of rice. This takes the guesswork out of making rice. Not only can you choose from white rice, gaba rice, multigrain or brown rice, and porridge, there's also functions such as slow cook, reheat, and multi-cook. Using the timer, you can set the rice cooker to start at a certain time, and even if the rice is done, it will keep it warm for hours. It comes with a rice measuring cup, a durable non-stick inner pot, which you do not want to put in the dishwasher. You have to hand wash that. A detachable inner lid to easily remove and clean, and even an excess water drainage tray, which makes cooking and cleaning up so simple. All you do is measure your rice per serving, put it in the pot, fill up the pot to the designated line depending on what you are making. Close the lid, push the button, and you're off. This makes perfect rice every single time. It has an LCD display, digital controls. It's so simple to use. I always had a problem timing my rice or making it too sticky or too watery. This way, you measure it out. It comes out perfect every time, and you can even set it to preferences that you know you like. This has changed the way I cook rice, eat rice, prepare rice. I absolutely love it. I think it makes a great gift, and I highly recommend this product.